Hi everyone, Tamás here again, and in this update I'm diving into something a bit more experimental, and honestly one of the toughest systems I have built so far. This is a custom gravity system. I have officially started development on chapter 2, and one of its core mechanics will be a gravity-based puzzles. To support that, I have been building a fully custom gravity system in Unreal Engine, allowing the player to walk not just on floors, but on walls, ceilings, and dynamically rotated surfaces. On paper, it sounds straightforward, but in reality, it turned into a pretty deep rabbit hole. I created a custom C++ subsystem where I can define gravity zones with different directions and strengths. When the player enters one, gravity transitions smoothly using quaternion interpolation, so everything blends instead of snapping. The hardest part wasn't applying gravity. It was convincing Unreal to stop assuming that up is always up. By default, the character movement system constantly forces the player capsule to stay vertical. So even though gravity and the camera were already working correctly, the character itself refused to rotate. I had to override parts of the movement system, take full control over rotation, and basically tell the engine, no, up is whatever I say it is. Once I got the character to align with gravity, a new issue popped up. The camera and controls felt right, but the animations completely broke. Movement direction, velocity, all of it was still calculated in word space, so depending on the surface I could be moving forward, while the character played backward animation. To fix this, I started converting movement data into that I call gravity relative space. Instead of relying on Unreal's default vectors, I transform velocity and direction based on the current gravity. That way, forward always means forward, no matter which way is down. It's a relatively small change, but it fixes a surprising amount of weird animation issues. The system is already working, but it's definitely not finished yet. I still need to update and refine animations, fix foot placement, smooth and transition between gravity zones. So yeah, it's functional, but not fully polished. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching. If you are curious where this is all heading, wishlist Project Enceladus on Steam. Link in the description. Every single wishlist helps more than you would think. See you in the next one. Bye bye.